Today is day 14, Determiners. Today's lesson is a short but important subject. Most new learners of Turkish misuse determiners or simply never understand until they become fluent in Turkish. It is important that you have understood the accusative case marker which we learned in day 9 before you continue with this lesson, because we will use it here again. As always, don't forget to download the cheat sheet for this lesson by visiting the link in the video description below. And be a supporter member and do the exercises for this lesson. The link is also in the video description below. You can learn more about being a supporter by visiting the link, which is also in the description below. Let me know what you think about today's topic by writing a comment below. Don't forget to share your example sentences with me too. Let's go. The Turkish language doesn't use the articles a and the. Unlike the order in English, where the article is before the adjective, in Turkish the article is used right after the adjective, before the noun. If you want to have an indefinite article like the an in English, we use the word bir, which means one, to make the noun be a general thing. The definite article the doesn't exist in Turkish. If you want to emphasize a direct object in a sentence, use the accusative suffix i, u, ü to state the definite case the. This is the proper way to use the indefinite article in Turkish. If you use the accusative suffix after a noun, there needs to be a direct interaction between the noun and the action verb, unlike a general statement. Let's see how bir and the accusative suffix work in these sentences. Adam ince bir pantolon ve kalın bir kazak giydi. Küçük kedi ayağımın yanında uyuyor. Yaşlı adam boş bir evde yaşıyor. Çocuk bir hamburger yiyor. Çocuk hamburger yiyor. Çocuk hamburgeri yiyor. There are more choices for indefinite articles in the Turkish language. Here are some other determiners you can use in your sentences. Bir, birkaç, birçok, bazı, az, her, kimi, hiçbir, bütün, tüm. Let's see some sentence examples. Dünyada birçok insan Türkiye'yi bilmiyor. Kimi Türkler etli yemek yemeyi sevmez. Birkaç arkadaşım ile sinemaya gittim. When you use these determiners, don't change the noun into plural forms, ler, unless you are using these determiners in conjunction with a previous sentence or statement. Also, be careful not to use a singular usage determiner with a plural noun.